Have you been gifted one of these trendy electric pressure cookers recently, or maybe not so recently, and haven't used it yet because you're not exactly sure what to do with it, or maybe it intimidates you a little bit? Well, stick around. I'm going to show you some easy recipes to get you started electric pressure cooking in no time. I'm Crystal Futrell, K-State's Health and Food Safety Extension Agent for Johnson County, and before we do any cooking, we always need to wash our hands first. Now, a lot of people wonder, if you have a slow cooker, what's the point of an electric pressure cooker? And while I love my slow cooker, the electric pressure cooker does have some advantages over the slow cooker that are worth noting. For instance, we do not recommend for food safety reasons to cook frozen foods in your slow cooker. And the reason for that is because frozen foods don't get hot enough fast enough, and the foods stay in that temperature danger zone just way too long, which can be an issue if you like to make meals in a bag. You're going to have to put them in the refrigerator to thaw overnight before you can put them to your slow cooker. If you forget to do that and you come home and your food is still frozen, you can put them in your electric pressure cooker and cook them that way without any food safety risk. And that's because the electric pressure cooker does reach those high temperatures in a timely fashion to keep things food safe. Another advantage is that you can sear and saute foods right in the pot of an electric pressure cooker. There's no saute button on the slow cooker. And finally, there are some foods that you can prepare in an electric pressure cooker that you just can't prepare very easily or should prepare in a slow cooker. Like, for instance, rice, hard-boiled eggs, and even dried beans. It is recommended that you do not prepare dried beans in slow cookers, and that's because some beans have natural toxins that require really high cooking temperatures in order for that toxin to be cooked away. And slow cookers just don't reach that high of a temperature.